7 o'clock. 8:30 in the morning. I wanted to leave at 8 o'clock, but I have 7.5 kilometers until I get to Italiano Camp. That was yesterday's way. This is today's way. Italiano. And climbing up Paine Grande Camp over yonder. Super duper. A little planky plank bridge. I was told I can eat these pink berries. No, they don't taste good. Ugh. Day pack crew. These white trees are a bit spooky. Nice easy trail this morning. I'm just cruising along. This is the only easy rated part of the park that I have for the whole circuit until I get to Italiano. Sparkling over there. Da, 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 da. Let's keep going. I am here. Mirador Lago Scottsburg. A nice big view. I passed all these peeps, now I gotta pass them again. Oh boy. Traffic jam like scares. I'm on a boardwalk. Shade of forest. Bridge. Wow. Snowmelt. And I'm on a bridge. I'm on a bridge. Doing a bridge dance. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Yeah. Someone was waiting behind me on the bridge. That's why that dance was so short. Powerful. Ooh, there's another bridge up ahead. Maximum capacity. 1 person. Must not be very stable if only 1 person can go on the bridge at a time. The other suspension bridges didn't have those requirements. Are you afraid of heights? Jesus. Oh, and I'm here. Italiano campground. Cutoff time is 3 o'clock p.m. This is the guard station. Ooh, and a weather forecast. I don't know. That looks good. Everybody's packing up their bags because to go to the viewpoint, it's out and back. So no sense hauling up your tent and all that stuff. Packing. I better do mine. My pack's feeling pretty light because I only have like 2.5 days more of food left in it. But no sense hauling it up. But it is tempting, kind of, to carry it all on the what time? This is my little summit pack. Ah! Don't go in the river. Okay, party peeps. Me and my tiny little pack is gonna rock up this climb. I wanna go that way. Not this way. Whoa, waterfall! Waterfall! This is what I'm looking at. Rocky rocks. Where am I supposed to cross, yo? Here? Confusing. I'll just random scramble. Whoa, waterfall! Waterfall! Danger! Continue upwards. I blew past Francis Lookout, so I'll check it out on the way back. This is the end, but I have some more to go. And this is the lookout. Britannica lookout. Amazing. Quiet, tucked in spot, eating chocolate and enjoying this view. It's drizzling a bit, getting a bit cold. It is raining. Oh yeah, this storm is coming. Oh yeah. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Looks so nice down there. The time is 1:30. It's a hard down. It's so cold now. Why did it have to rain? Planks. Thanks for the planks. There's lots of these little stream ravine things. I'm back at this bad boy. This was the place I thought was a lookout. Dip my bottle in the stream. Fresh water. Mountains. Getting too windy for me and the rain's coming. Flowers. Views are gone. Rain. I have my rain jacket with me, but I'm gonna hold off. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Mirador Francis. I blew by here earlier because I was like, get to the end. Big wall of rock and a lot of snow. Valley view behind and the peeps that came late are trying to decide if they should proceed onwards because everything is white in that direction, unfortunately. So I hope it clears up and they get a good view. I'm on the way down, but this is what I have to climb up. So you have a few little scrambly bits, not too bad though. La 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 la. Great views when you're coming down also. Look at that blue water. Info sign. And there's some cute animals on it. The trail is very wet in the streamy parts. Here's where I got the water. I haven't been filming much because I have to pee. All these toilets closed up. 1, 2. That's a little cooking shelter hut. And I was wrong. People do camp here. All these big boys. And my little bag still here. No one snagged it. Packing up my bag at the ranger station. Don't do fire. I've had a fun day today. Half an hour, 2 kilometers. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Feels super weird to have my larger backpack on. And I packed it stupid. So it's all wiggly wobbly on my back. Oh, I didn't do up my sternum strap. Maybe that's why it's wiggly woggly. What's this place? Old camp spot, probably. Woo, it's raining. Nice. Ooh, a field. This is where the guys I met at the brewery are working. They're building a suspension bridge. The guys building the new suspension bridge, they did invite me to stay over at the yurt for dinner, but I didn't see them outside. And I just, even though they told me where the key was, I didn't want to kind of walk in. So even though it's rain, I'm going to continue on to Francis. It is really coming down. I can't be bothered to stop and put on my rain gear. What rotten luck. 20 minutes too late. Look out. Brushy. Must be almost there. Fugio is down the hill, camping up the hill. Oh, here's the check-in place. They have things for sale. I did the check-in at the little booth. I am camping platform number 58. So this place is a little different than the other campgrounds that you don't get to just freestyle and set up your tent wherever you want. You have an assigned spot. These are the setup tents if you don't carry your own. I need to go hiking to find my platform. 58. There's only 63, so I'll be right at the end. I gotta cross a wobbly bridge. Why couldn't I be number 50? I have to go all the way up. and it's climb, climb, climb. Well, I did a weird pitch because my tent is not freestanding and I have to be on this wooden platform. See, the platforms are all up this hillside here, but it'll do the trick against rain and wind, I'm hoping. And there is a mix-up, so I am platform 53. 6 o'clock, got everything organized inside now. Maybe shower, eating, washing up zone. Room and shower block up here. Very nice basin area. That little alcove is the cooking area. It's so small and tiny. This is really dumb. My dinner is cold mashed potatoes with ragu spice, a piece of sausage with mustard, crushed up Doritos that I will spoon into my mouth, and a pita with peanut butter for dessert. And this is some weird papaya. This is a very nice shower block. I don't really need a shower, but everyone said the showers here were so great. A little private room, so I have to do it. Okay, I understand this sign here, don't take showers longer than 5 minutes. But this sign, hey, hold it a little bit. We have WC, showers are not made for defecating. Please show respect to other passengers and our staff. No pooping in the shower. It's pouring rain. Didn't get a beer because the lodge is like way down a hill and they closed for dinner. And then I was hanging out outside the ladies' bathroom waiting for the rain to stop. Didn't stop. And then I ran up here in the rain. I fell, banged my knee, got a little muddy, but I'm in my tent now.